In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in VS Code. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're inside VS Code, go ahead and click on this extensions button here on the left, and then you want to look for Codex. Okay, so look for Codex. And here you will be able to see this Codex, OpenAI's coding agent, and then here it says that it's verified by OpenAI. Click on that, click on the install button, and then wait for a few seconds, and there we go. Once this is installed, you can go ahead and click on it here on the left. Now, this is now Codex from OpenAI, and the first thing you have to do is sign in. Now, you can sign in using the API key or with ChatGPT, which I do think is easier, so I'm just going to sign in with ChatGPT. Click on open over here, and inside your browser this is going to open up a authorization page where you're basically going to have to sign in with your ChatGPT account. Of course, if you don't have an account from OpenAI for ChatGPT, make sure you create one right away, and then after you do that, you'll be able to sign in like this. Click on continue, and then you'll be good to go. It's going to say that everything is connected, and you can now close this page. There we go. And now, as you can see over here, it's going to give you a quick tutorial. You can just click on next. Next, you can of course read this if you want to, and after you come to the end, you can click on try GPT-5 Codex now or continue using GPT-5. Now, this is because this Codex actually has some paid features, so for some features you can use in here, you'll have to have a paid subscription from ChatGPT, so the ChatGPT Pro or Plus or whatever that's called, and yeah, you're gonna have that, and then you're gonna be able to use all its features. For now, I'm gonna click on continue using GPT-5. And there we go, there you have it. This is now essentially ChatGPT. It's called Codex. You can go ahead and ask this Codex to do anything here inside the VS Code. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.